Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your chain sweater, lady sweater. You can knit this in any projects. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this, wrong side looks same. It's reversible. See, so this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1 and knit 7, 2 4 6 7. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your first stitch slip and then your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 5, knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 5, 2 4 5 and knit 1. Again, knit 2, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and knit 1. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side, slip knitwise right side, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 3, 1 2 3 and then purl 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, knit 3, purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, 1 2 3 and then purl 2, 1 2. So we have done 2 repeats, and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 4, purl 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, purl 1. Row 5. For row 5 your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Again knit 1, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then purl 1. That's the repeat. Purl 2, knit 5, 2, 4, 5, and purl 1. Again purl 2, knit 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and purl 1. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 7. For row 7 your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 2, purl 3, knit 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, last row, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Purl 3, knit, purl 4, knit 1, purl 3. Again purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. This is 1 repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.